fishing all night, and now it's already morning, and the clouds are pink and blue, and today's a special day.
Why is it a special day?
It's my birthday.
How old are you turning?
I'm gonna be 7, but I'm already 7.
You're 7 now. You turned 7 today.
I am so excited that it's my birthday. Bye. That's a fish on.
Whoa!
Is it dead? I catch a fish. What's the fish called again?
A bluegill.
I caught a bluegill, and I'm going to catch another fish. And that's what I'm going to do. I am ready for that. Are you ready for me to catch a fish? This is Daddy. This is... What?
You got a fish.
Look, I caught a fish. It's right there. You know, like, I catch 2 fish. Yes? Look, this is a monster fish. Daddy can eat that one. And the one that Daddy caught, I can eat that one. This one, the one Daddy's getting that out, is a monster fish.
This pull. Where's my pliers?
Okay.
Right.
Okay, your pliers. Okay, so look. Those are Daddy's pliers that he's using. Well, Mommy and Layla and Brayden are at home and we're camp fishing. You see our car, it's over there, but we're not going on that playground because it's dirty. Very dirty. Someone needs to clean that. You see the water? So, good morning, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. On a bridge that can float. Okay. You see Daddy? Daddy. What are those things?
That's a weight.
This thing.
That's a weight.
The gray thing a weight?
That's a weight.
Oh, so you're making that one a new fishing pole? With gold. It does keep breaking the line because Daddy tried catching a catfish, but then he used this one and the catfish ran away. He caught 2 catfish and then 2 of them ran away.
Go, nice fish. The red one. Yep.
Whoa!
Catfish.
Does it bite you?
See? That's a catfish. Nice, huh?
Like right the edge of the alligator. Right over there. Right? Look. I am so scared.
You see you petting the fish? Big fish, huh? You like it?
Yeah.
Here, throw it back. Put your hand on, throw it back. We're gonna throw it back in the water. Come on, you're gonna help me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye, fishy.
Bye.
You got a bluegill, right?
We got a bluegill.
You wanna eat this one? Yeah, we're gonna eat this one. You gotta kiss it. Mwah. Kiss it.
I don't want to kiss it.
Just a little worm action. Caught a little bass. Nice size. Let's let it go. Bye-bye, fishy. There you go. Bye-bye. Now throw it back out there.
Okay.
That was a far throw. Good job. That one was really far. That was way further than Tyrone.
I want to throw.
You got one. Go. Reel it in. Reel it in.
I got one?
Yep, reel it in. Reel it in. Come on, pull it in.
And this one's a strong one.
Yeah, that one's a big one. Pull it in, hurry. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Get it out of the water, get it out of the water. Pull it up here. Oh, you got him.
I caught him.
Let's see, that's a big one.
Look, Daddy's gonna catch fish. We're driving back home, but this road is bumpy me. We have fun.
How many fish did you catch?
7, like my age.
You caught 7 like your age?
Yeah. I was fishing, and so today we are done going fishing. We went to a new place that was like with sand, and I was excited about the sand. And so today we are going to go back home. I'm gonna get in a bag of chips. Hi guys. So what do you want to do today? Eat snacks with me, or drink a drink with me, have a break, or go back home today? Anything. What do you want to do? Daddy? They said they want to go to the zoo, but I really want to go home.
Okay, then we'll go.